Just do some inventory today on the body. There's one fat ankle and a nice bruise. Continuing up the leg. And then there's this guy with not a wee bit of injury.
So my original plan for today was to have an easy day for Dina to ride some pavement, let her ankle recover and build some confidence again, and get up towards Kajurt and then Karkarin the next day, which is the old seat of the Mongolian Empire. Unfortunately, now that I have access to internet and satellite images, I can see that none of these routes are paved, even though they show as major highways on our paper map or show up as highways on Google Maps. They're just dirt roads. And unfortunately, there's not really a lot of pavement in this country that goes the direction we want to go. So unfortunately, it looks like we have a little bit of pavement, like 30 kilometers or so, and then we're just back on the dirt. And hopefully we'll have a little bit smoother riding than we did in the Gobi Desert.
For day 4, we had 30 kilometers of asphalt, beautiful asphalt, which was a nice rest. And now we have 50K to go to some hot springs that is dirt. We don't really know what to expect. Dina's doing well. Her ankle's still really fat. And we'll see how she does. How do you feel?
Always scared. Every time I'm on the bike, I'm scared. So it's a perpetual holiday of fear. Yay.
There you have it, a holiday of fear. But we're gonna have a good day. 50K more to go. How you doing, Dina?
Doing great. It's been a fun day. The road is no longer sand. It's hard. And look at the view. I mean, I'm starting to like Mongolia.
Climbing another mountain. I'm going 7 kilometers an hour. The speed over is 10, but that is a lie. It is now 7.8. Oh, 8 kilometers an hour. This is full throttle. First gear. Coming into town with some hot springs. I had a really nice day of dirt riding. It is beautiful out here. We'll go to the deck. And now we're gonna set out into 3 days of dirt, which will probably involve camping. We don't really know what to expect. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great. We just went to an ancient Tibetan monastery, and I'm hoping the riding is as good as it was yesterday, which was epic.
Now we are leaving Karkarin and heading north. We have some paved roads for a bit, but after that we will probably have 3 days of pretty remote dirt roads and camping before we reach civilization again. I'm a bit worried about this section because Dina's ankle still isn't great, but I can't find any easy paved routes that go in the direction that we need to go. So we'll just take it one day at a time, but first we're going to head up and check out a lake and hopefully take a quick dip to cool and rinse off.
Found a lake. Pretty excited. We're gonna take a little swim, a little shower. End of day 5. And it was a long day.
Found a nice lake. We only had to go down massive steep sand dunes with loads of Priuses into two-wheel drive Priuses, getting stuck, beeping at us to get out of the way. It was insanity. It was like Havasu on steroids, but the lake was really nice. We had a quick swim. And then it was just treachery getting out of there. Just absolutely wretched. But we're here now, and we're drinking.
But now we're out here just kind of setting up camp.